Okay, Kenny Smith won a couple titles with Hakeem Olajuwon when Michael Jordan went to go play baseball. So the Rockets got 94 and 95. He's also an announcer for TNT with Charles Barkley, Shaquille O'Neal, and Ernie. Anyway, here we go. Unit 6, Lesson 3. All right. Complete the table. Determine a rule for this transformation. So you'll see 2, -3 goes to -3, 2. 4, 5 goes, okay, so they switch. So 0, 4 will go to 4, 0. 1, 6 will go to 6, 1. These are just like mirror images. So this will be -1, this will be -2. And then you just go y, x. So the sign didn't change. It just, we switched them. So the rule is simply x, y to yx. Piece of cake. All right, number 2, write a rule that describes this transformation. Ooh. Okay, 5, 1 goes to 2, -1. -3, 4 goes to -6, -4. All right, so 5 - 3 goes to 2. -3 - 3 goes to -6. 1 - 3 goes to -2. -1 - 3 goes to -4. All right, so x, y will go to x - 3. So we got that. Now let's look at the y's. 1 to -1. Okay, could just be y to -y. Let's see. 4 to -4. Yep. -2 to 2. -4 to 4. So y goes to -y. Boom. Done. All right. Select all the transformations that produce congruent images. Dilations. No. Horizontal stretch. No. Reflection, rotation, translation. That's the way you want. However, this one, what if the scale factor equals 1? But then I think we're just going to call it, it's not really a transformation. Okay, so C, D, E, that's my final answer. All right, number 4, here are some transformation rules for each transformation. First, predict what the image of ABC will look like. Then compute the coordinates of the image and draw it. All right, so if like A goes x - 4, y - 1, it'll be over here. I think it's a translation. I think it's gonna be the same shape. So here we go. You got 2 for an x, so you got to go -4, so that'll be -2. Then y is gonna go down 1. That'll be A prime. This is A, letter A. Okay, let's do B. Okay, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then y is gonna go down 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is gonna go down 1. So it's gonna be B prime. So yeah, we were right. It's a translation. 4 units to the left, 1 unit down. Or you could say directed line segment. 0, 0 to -4, -1. Why does that look off? Oh, I know why. I need 5 on that one. Okay. Should be right here, sorry. Whoops. See, the math teachers make mistakes. So this is the one you want. All right, there's the first one. Okay, x, y goes to y, x. On these, I'd like to write them, write the coordinates. So A, B, C. A is 2, 3. B is 4, 2. And C is 3, 5. Now we got to go x, y. I'm doing letter B now to y, comma, x. So A prime, B prime, C prime. You just switch them. All right, so x becomes y. So instead of 2, 3, it'll just be 3, 2. Instead of 4, 2, it'll be 2, 4. And instead of 3, 5, it'll be 5, 3. So let's mark our points. 3, 2. 2, 4. 5, 3. Okay, so your red one's right here. And it looks like it's a reflection over that line. Yep. Okay, so these are the coordinates, and this is the drawing. All right, last but not least, xy to 1.5x, 1.5y. Yeesh. All right, so A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. This one's actually pretty easy. So A prime, B prime, C prime. All right, so we got to multiply them by 1.5. So 2 times 1.5 is 3. 3 times 1.5 is 4.5. 4 times 1.5 is 6. 2 times 1.5 is 3. 3 times 1.5 is 4.5. 5 times 1.5 is 7.5. So 3, 4.5 is right here. 6, 3 is right here. And 4.5, 7.5 is right here. And it looks like it's just a dilation origin scale factor 1.5. Pretty cool. So this will be A prime, B, C prime, and B prime. All right, number 5. A cylinder has radius 3 inches and height 5 inches. A cone has the same radius and height. Find the volume of the cylinder, find the volume of the cone. All right, easy. Cone is going to be 1/3 the cylinder volume, because this is base height and the cone is base height over 3. So let's figure out the cylinder. Pi r squared times height. This is the cylinder. So pi 3 squared times 5. So pi times 9 times 5 equals 45 pi. That's the volume of the cylinder, 45 pi. Cubic inches. Now the volume of the cone is just going to be that 45 pi divided by 3, which equals 15 pi cubic inches. Now what fraction of the cylinder is the cone's volume? So the volume of the cone will equal 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. So easy. Okay, number 6. Reflect triangle ABC over the line x equals -2. So here's x equals -2. So we got to reflect over this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here's A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's B prime. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's C prime. Okay, then reflect it over x equals 0. Okay. And we'll jump through your hoops. So now we got to reflect over, oh yeah, we got to name it x equals 0, which is right here. So a lot of people think this is y equals 0, but this is actually x equals 0, the y-axis. So we got to reflect over this line now. Alrighty, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be A double prime. B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B double prime. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's C double prime. Let's just draw it. Almost done. We still got a couple more questions to answer. Okay, so there we go. So this is our final thing, but then they ask us this. Describe a single transformation that takes ABC to A double prime. Well, they're the same shape, you can tell. you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So here we go. X comma y to x plus 4 comma y. Or you could have said translate via directed line segment 0, 0 to 4, 0. I would have done it too. In the construction, A is the center of one circle, B is the center of the other. Whoa, is this unit 1? Yeah. Explain why segments AC, BC, AD, and AB, wait, hang on, AC, BC, AD, BD, and AB all have the same length. So they're asking you, why do all these have the same length? Well, they are all radii of circles with the same radius. Easy. Is that it? Phew. That was fast.